Oh hey everybody, 650 Eve here. Welcome home to the channel. There's a smile on my face because I'm at Sonoma Raceway for Yamaha's launch of the R9 on the track. And behind me is the example that I'm going to be riding today, the beautiful Intensity White Yamaha R9. But let me give you a quick walk around of this bike before I hit the track. We got Aaron Bass, Senior Project Manager again. He's been in my videos several times. Thank you again, Aaron.
What's up, Eve?
Yep, and with you, you've got...
I have a very special guest joining us from Japan. This is Koji Tsuya, or Tsuya-san as we call him.
Hello, sir.
This is a very special gentleman. He is a former MOTO GP project leader. So in
nice.
2015, Tsuya-san worked with Jorge Lorenzo and Valentino Rossi. Ended up being world champions with Jorge Lorenzo in 2020.
Congratulations!
And now, Tsuya-san is taking all of his wealth of information on working on MotoGP bikes and is now making $12,499 MSRP production bikes.
Wow. Wow. So what are some of the things that he tied in from like MotoGP into these beautiful R9s?
Where do we start? We can start off with the frame. Tsuya-san has a great philosophy about giving the rider confidence on corner entry. So high speeds on the straightaway, heavy braking going into the corner. It's very important for the rider to have confidence, and that's why we have a bespoke frame for the R9 to help facilitate that. In addition to that, we have functional aerodynamic winglets.
Yes.
And that's certainly driven from MotoGP technology.
I can see that.
Learned in racing and is now put onto production motorcycles.
That is awesome, man. I'm excited to get out of the track and put all of that into application and see how it works, man. Thank you, Aaron, man. I appreciate it.
All right. Thanks for being here, Eve.
Yeah, thank you too, sir. Thank you. They put the bike in GP shift for me. I'm out of here. Okay. They told me about the track layout. We know about that. Now it's time to get out on this track. And there's some really fast guys out here today, guys and girls. There's a lot of women out here today, and they're fast. Everyone out here is fast. And I can see why. Instantly, you feel the power of this bike. 890cc, CP3 engine. And I feel that power all over the place. And as we get a feel for this track and the flow of it, I'll be able to assess this bike even more. That auto blip feels great, super smooth. Quick shift is great too. Wow. Man, this bike feels phenomenal. It really does, guys. Woo! There's that power! Effortlessly breaks down the gears with that auto blipper. Wow, it's really dialed in nicely. Now I use those front Stylema calipers and it brakes very nicely. No drama. Okay, I got the feel for this track. It's... Woo! What the dickens? Wow, that was a fast person. Wow. Let's see what we can do. bump really nice. That's that KYB. Front forks and rear shock doing its thing. What a heck of a track, guys. Man, what a heck of a bike. I couldn't see myself riding my Yamaha R1M on this track. Look at this thing. Up and down. But the way this bike dispenses the power, woo! Does it in a great way. You definitely don't feel like you're being overwhelmed by the power. And there's definitely no jerkiness in the throttle response. That's really what I like about this. It's so smooth. Yeah! Come on, boy! Come on! Man. And I haven't looked down at my gauges one time today to see what gear I am. I instantly feel a connection with this bike and I know what it's doing. These moto journalists are just sick. Wow. They are fast. Come on. Their skill level is just amazing. These are the guys you see on the YouTube and in their print publications. And you would never think that they ride like this, but their skill set is just, it's way up there. Thank you.
How am I doing feeling?
It was great. Thank you. Fantastic bike.
Yes. ありがとうございます。I'm tempted to follow you and get your footage for your video. Do you need that at all?
Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna tell Heath to wait.
You're gonna follow Heath. I'm
Yep.
gonna follow you.
And then I want you to smoke me after you're done getting your footage. Smoke me. Hey Heath. Hey Heath. Chase is coming out with us.
All right.
Yes. We gotta get Chase too. We gotta get Chase.
Get on your bike.
Yeah, get on.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So I might get on your side, and that's only so the 360 can see you.
Yes, sir.
So if that happens.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Yeah.
Isn't it cool?
That's running.
Yep, that's running. I got the preview remote, so it shows us. Yeah. That's Heath. Yeah. Watch how fast he is. Yeah. Watch how fast this guy is. And then watch how Chase on two wheels is fast too. Chase is going to follow us for a little bit, then he's going to come around us, and then maybe they'll have a duel.
Yeah, look at the hills.
Oh man, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful.
Green Hill, there's sheep in the turns.
I didn't see that. Now I'm going to pay attention now.
At the top, there's sheep.
Yeah. He says there's sheep in the turns. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, on the outside of the turn. I'll point it out.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Come on, Chase.
Oh, he's vlogging.
Oh, he's vlogging.
Yeah.
He's vlogging schmogging.
Yeah, the life of a vlogger, right?
Vlogging schmogging.
Heath has used no brake on that at all. Wow. No brake. Lovely. Oh, the sheep! I see them! The beautiful sheep! No way!
Ready, go! Yep. Okay.
Of this epic machine, if you can't tell from my voice, I'm in love. Oh, that was so fun.
That was awesome. Loved the shit out of that.
Yes.
Your entire body language when your knee touched the ground, I was like, go, Ian, go!
Oh man, I had to do something, man.
Is that the first time?
Yeah, on this track, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, and first time doing it in about 5 years.
Yeah.
Dragging the knee in 5 years, but yeah, it felt great.
Bro, that was so much fun.
Your riding chases is amazing. Is amazing.
Thanks.
Yeah. It's almost impossible to get better weather in what we experienced today here at Sonoma Raceway in California, riding Yamaha's new R9 machine in this beautiful intensity white colorway with its beautiful red accents. Gorgeous, gorgeous bike. So I rode it around this fantastic track many times. My final thoughts, that is an epic machine. That is a machine that I am now going to use for my track days because it's a friendly machine. I call it your track day companion because this bike, unlike a lot of bikes in my opinion, does not want to kill you on the track, does not want to dispense too much power or not enough power where you gotta wring its neck to get the power out. This bike gives you the ample amount of power when you need it, when you want it, all over the place, low, mid, and high. And it's a direct result of that beautiful 890cc CP3 triple cylinder beaut of an engine that they use in this gorgeous motorcycle. So, you know me guys, I love this bike so much that I'm going to purchase one for myself and start doing more track days again like I used to in the old days, right? And hopefully I will get even better at track riding and really enjoy it. And I know I'm going to enjoy it on this bike. I mean, it's just gorgeous. It checks all of the boxes: beauty, form, function, affordability. $12,499. You can't beat it. A few mods to be done to this bike and you're good to go. It doesn't need any ECU tuning or anything in my opinion because the throttle is just so smooth already from the factory that it doesn't need any correcting. But guys, this is a bike. If you're looking for a machine to ride on the track, to have a good time with your buddies and stuff, this is the bike for you. And soon enough, we will ride it on the street. I'll spend a whole day on it and we'll give you a street review of this bike. But the way it stands right now, the Yamaha R9 is an epic machine that everyone should consider purchasing. Thanks for viewing, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.